I really appreciate you joining me again today, and this story comes from Leicester and it involves a man called Kym Aley who failed to stop for officers last year in May and has been jailed for 30 months. He was seen driving on Saffron Road in the Monsell estates, and during the 4-minute pursuit the 20-year-old was driving at speeds of more than 80 miles an hour in a 30-mile-an-hour zone and narrowly missed hitting a cyclist. He reversed into a police car before continuing his journey, driving over grass verges and also pavements.
Tango 09, generally back towards something there, speed 40 and 30, right, Milligan Road, low risk, pursuit authorised. Pursuit authorised. Thank you, left, St Andrews Road. Stand by, it's high risk, taking out a load of cones at the port high, towards oncoming traffic. It's got a cone stuck to its bumper, no contact with other vehicles, back down to low risk. Ride Vale Road, stand by, it's onto a small part of the pavement, across the pavement, onto Glen Hills Way, was medium risk, back to low. Vehicles overtaking the traffic, speed now 80 in a 30, still no pedestrians, traffic, medium risk. It's onto the pavement, it's mounted the grass, left, back towards Port Pye, left to Newry, stand by, it's going to try and run me. They're not available. 09, I've been rammed. Unable to continue at the minute. Continuation of the Newry. 2 people have decamped from the vehicle. It's off road. Back towards Port Pye. Somebody decamp.
There's a mayor running towards the shop now, he's just gone into the Premier. Yeah, mayor's just gone into the Premier shop, hello.
What's your description? Alright, you're next. Give me your hand. Theft motor vehicle, failed to stop, dangerous drive. Same thing, mate, on your defence. Don't mention any question. Something which you to arm in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence.
And he abandoned the car in an area called the Newry. Officers located Aley in a nearby shop and arrested him, and when he was searched by officers they found drugs and a machete that was recovered from the car. He was subsequently charged with possession with intent to supply Class A drugs that was cocaine, and possession of a bladed article, dangerous driving, driving without a licence, driving without insurance, and failure to provide a specimen. At his first magistrates court appearance, Aley, of no fixed abode, pled guilty to the charges at Leicester Crown Court on the 29th of July and was sentenced to 30 months. He was also given a 38-month driving ban with an extended retest. Detective Constable Fiona Day, who was the investigating officer, said that Aley drove at dangerous speeds on some very busy roads with pedestrians, children and other vehicles nearby. He deliberately versed into a police vehicle and luckily the officers were not injured, but he was arrested and during his interview he showed no remorse. Due to the overwhelming evidence, he had no choice but to plead guilty to the offences and he received a custodial sentence for his actions. This story is definitely a big reminder of the risks that are associated when you take a car and drive in this fashion. Somebody could have easily died and he would have got a lot longer in prison. So I hope that he sorts his life out when he comes out, and thank you for joining me for this story. I'll be back again very shortly with some more news.